This kind of address doesn't rush to prove itself. It continues to grow in value over time. Now we are building an exclusive mini estate in the central location in Abuja. And this is Signature Residence Wuse, Abuja. Take a look at what is going on here.
The sun's coming up, we're chasing the magic. I'm diving in, oh I won't look back.
It's not just hype. We are building prototype options from apartments to terraces, semi-detached duplexes and fully detached units in the Signature Residence Abuja. So if you're a family looking for a friendly and exclusive neighborhood to move into in Abuja, you should start with this off-land project we are currently building. And we have flexible payment plans for you from 4 months to 8 months and even 12 months, just to make sure that acquisition for you is seamless. We are currently at the DPC level of our 3-bedroom apartment, which is going to go 6th floor high. And over here is where they are knocking the columns for the pillars of this 3-bedroom apartment. This is an exclusive unit that you shouldn't miss because you can see we are walking the talk. Properly planned, well structured, FCDA approved. So if this project aligns with your long-term goal, all you need to do is call me on the phone number you can see on your screen for further inquiries. Remember, my name is the Global Abby, your number one real estate broker you can trust.
And it gets better and better. Oh, what a night with you. We're living the dream. It's a good, good feeling. We're living the dream. We're living the dream. Oh, the crowd goes wild. This is our time. This is our time.